All right, we are filming a special sequence here for a very cool product feature that's come from Focus Digital Marketing and Trevor Hunter and his team. They built our website, manage our website, SEO, all that good stuff. Trevor, you are a stud. But what's really cool, I want to share with you guys, is we can actually use AI now to help build out web pages for our website and create collateral for potential clients and or existing customers, all with AI. And I want to show you what this looks like because it's just too cool. So I'm going to share my screen here and we're going to pop into the Discord channel where I'll be communicating directly with the AI and telling it what I want to do. Now, what's going to be interesting is I actually wrote a prompt for this already where I'm going to do the CX courtroom. I'm going to say create a page, web page, the CX courtroom. We're going to put bad practices on trial. And let's just see what happens. I literally have not prompted this. I didn't test this yet already. You can see in my commands, we tested pitch decks, all that. Really cool. But this one, wanted to be creative and have some fun with it. So I'll pop that in here and it's going to start working on creating a page. We'll see, this is pretty elaborate. CX courtroom, put bad practices on trial, and then it's different and it's memorable. So getting very creative. Now the AI is going to work through this, and this could take, especially with an ask like this, maybe a couple of minutes. I don't know. But in terms of if you were to take this concept to a web development team, think about how long you would be waiting. And that is the difference in how you can start to use AI to your strengths, right? You can look at our existing website today. We created a Why Sonic CX, which was the sales pitch deck. This was all done with a single prompt, using information that was readily available through our website online, and really does a great job capturing the voice of our business. I like this page, so I'm keeping this page. But let's see what gets spit out for the courtroom. And then we've got our home page, which Trevor's responsible for building and helping us bring this thing to life. Couldn't be happier. Now we're bringing in this cool AI feature. So Focus AI is typing. I'm inside of Discord here, talking directly to the AI agent. So what will happen as soon as the process is done, it'll just say here, done. It should create a URL for me to click on so I can actually see what this web page looks like. But it is working somewhat it is working entirely with the web knowledge of our website today. So it'll come out pretty closely matching the brand colors. There may be a little bit of additional prompts required, but very small stuff. And the cool thing is, the more I do this, the better off it will get with time, right? We're just getting into testing phase. Trevor was kind enough to allow us to be a tester of this technology. And honestly, when you look at how this works, it's pretty crazy. So we'll just continue to wait for it, and boom, here we go. So I can click directly into this link, and it's just put prosecution, why it's broken, defense. So let's see what happens. Put bad CS practices on trial, the CX courtroom, and 3 common CX habits. Looking efficient while killing revenue. Outcome first, CX wins is the verdict. The docket, average handle time. How cool. You guys saw the prompt. So this is just taking the logic that we already have existing inside of our website and what's readily available and creating really cool collateral. So this says see Sonic AI, schedule a revenue review, see Sonic AI, and it takes us over here. So I could actually just go back to this, and now I could prompt it and say, hey, remove at the bottom of the page, remove the See Sonic AI button. Let's just do that. and now it's going to get to work. So we wait, it'll come back. And I think it's important you can see because you're making small tweaks, but we're in the CX courtroom, which is incredibly cool. I think we're definitely worth sharing. Bad CX practices survive because they're familiar, easy to report, and easy to justify. But the market does not reward familiarity. It rewards outcomes. The companies that win treat customer experience like a revenue system, not a call handling function. All from that prompt and taking the information that's available from things that we already have online, and it's creating this shit in minutes. So now it says done, removed. Let's go ahead and refresh. And it's gone. How cool is that? So now I can go ahead and just say something like publish on website and include link in header. And look at that, Trevor's watching us here, and I forgot I got to talk to I'm at Sonic. I've got to talk to the AI, but it's Trevor, keep it clean, man. We're in screen share. Paige is making the adjustments here, and we'll wait for it. I love Trevor. He's such a good dude. I'm going to wait for this to come up. So we're going to publish it, and I'm going to go back to the website because you can see the way that our headers look currently. This is the site as it sits right now. So we'll wait for changes. Done. CX Courtroom's been published. So we come here and the CX Courtroom. Boom. How cool is that? Ladies and gentlemen, this is the future of web design to an extent. And I, as a terrible web designer, was able to just build a page in front of you all. And however long this video took, I hope you've made it to the end. Hit up Trevor Hunter with Focus Digital Marketing because this technology is just getting started and only going to get better. I can continue to prompt this for formatting, but overall, I just did this right in front of all of y'all, and it is published and live on our site. I have the option to not publish it on the site. I could just share the link with people out in the world, if I'm talking to a prospective client or I want to create collateral post for LinkedIn, but all with the magic of these fingertips, and I have absolutely no experience in web development until today. And I must say, I'm pretty damn good. So if it's this easy, I make it look easy because of Trevor. It actually is extremely easy. But anyway, I'm going to end the video because I'm just rambling and wanted to show you guys how cool these new features are. So until next time, we'll get a new episode going with Press, a new podcast, have actually one scheduled with Trevor. So we'll touch more on this technology during that episode. But we're already at 8 minutes, so I'll leave it there. And you guys have a great day.